Okay, so we're going to continue with looking at a couple of different expressions. So the next one would be if we're talking about different powers. So that would be like raising something to the second power or the third power. So sometimes you'll see it written as square of, so that means you're raising it to the second power. Or if you're ever doing like area, you'd think of square feet for floor. You could also say squared. And then cubed for to the third power, and then after that it's fourth power, fifth power, etc. We don't have a fancy word for it. And then the other one would be equals. So to see the word equals, you see this a lot when you're dealing with percentages. You would see the word is, and that would mean equals. You could also see, besides the word equals, you could see same as and yields. So the result yields a certain numbers means it equals a certain number. And then one more, amounts to. Okay, so now I'm going to scroll down. I think I actually went to the wrong one there. Okay, so let's do an example of converting from words to an expression, translating. So A says the height of the tank is 1.4 times its width. So we see the word times, and that would be a good thing to underline. And that times means you're multiplying. So if I would write this out, it would be 1.4 times width. And when we're dealing with variables, we don't put that multiplication symbol in. It's just assumed to be there. So pick a variable for width. It could be x or y, whatever you want. Because it's width, I'm just going to pick w, so it kind of goes with it. Okay, for B, it says the sum of the two weights is 167 pounds. So we see the word sum. Again, I would underline that. Sum means you're adding. We have two weights, and I don't know what those two weights are, so I need a variable. So I could do W1 and W2 for the two weights, but that's a little more complicated. Let's just do X and Y. So weight 1 is X plus weight 2, which is Y, is, and remember we said is means equals 167. And that's it.